Hi guys, welcome back to this ML series on Android apps. So today we are going to see how to build a custom text classification model so that we can classify text as spam. So we have done this video using Android, and today we are going to see how to build the actual model. We also do have a giveaway at the end. So let's get started. So this is the pathway that we did while building our Android app for ML series demonstrator. So we had a messaging style app where we used to enter a comment and then we used to check whether the comment was spam or not. If you're not sure, follow this playlist and you should be able to build that app. So we are going to look more deeper into what this model requires. So first thing is the data. So you need lots of comments which are cleaned and which are also classified as spam. So you need comment text. So this is basically the comments that people have come and put, and then you need to classify them whether they are spam or not. So true or false. So somebody has to collect this data, clean it up, and then classify it manually or using some Python script. And then basically you get this CSV file which is actually used in this model. So this is the code lab. They have explanation of the code. I'll also go through that. So this is the code lab notebook file. So basically you have the TF Lite model because we are building this model for mobile. We have all the imports, and then this is the same comment spam CSV file which we are downloading. Then basically you have this average word vector. You can also use mobile word classifier, but that would take a little longer. But if you want more accuracy, please do go for mobile word classifier. So average word vector, like it's mentioned here, has some pre-trained word weights and dictionaries, so it's little faster, but the BERT models are actually more accurate. But for now, just for a demonstration purposes, we are only using average word vector. So this is where we do load the data. We again split the data using the 90% 10% model into training and test data, and then we run the classifier with 50 epochs. And finally, we provide the test data as validation, and then the loss and accuracy are calculated. And then this model or this code will actually generate 3 files. So if you remember, there will be a model and there will be 2 more files which will have the word weights and the vector file. So if we go to the project, just a second. So if you see the assets folder, we had got these 3 files: model, spam, labels, and vocab. So these are basically the 3 files that were generated. This is the model. We have the labels which will tell whether true or false, and then we basically have the vocabs which will have the word and weights. So when you are running the app, you actually need all these 3 files which will be generated in the spam folder. You can also use it to generate some other formats, but if you are exporting it from mobile, this step is enough. So these 5 steps till here are enough to generate that model. So very simple way of generating the models, not much complicated code. Of course, this assumes that you have already collected the data and cleaned it up. So if you want to build a model from scratch, this is the way to go about it. So hope you understood. And if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. The giveaway that we were talking about is about OneNeuron. So iNeuron is a company which is co-founded by Krish Nayak and Sudhanshu, and they have recently launched OneNeuron Education as a Service. Basically, it's an OTT platform where you can explore courses and even request for courses that are not available. So whatever courses they are offering plus the courses that are not available, you can give a request and they will be more than happy to build it for you. So this is the TechNeuron. We even have 2 courses on Android. So one is Android and one is Android job preparation. Apart from that, you have digital marketing, Azure, DSML, statistics, digital marketing, and all kinds of preparation that you can think of, even Tableau. So you can see even data structures, MERN stack, full stack, NLP, Python, anything that you can think of. And even if you say suppose there is a course which is not there, you can actually come here and request for those courses. You can even ask for doubt clearing and topic explanation, or even a new module in a course if you think that that module is missing or is quite required. You can even schedule mock interviews. So all this is available just for 7,080 rupees, and if you use the link in the description or this coupon at the end, Ankur.Kumar10, you will get a 10% discount over this price. Also, currently they are running a sale, which means that currently the One Neuron is available with a lifetime access after 16 January, or from 16 January, the same money will only give you 1 year access. So please do hurry up, please do sign up. They have a lot of good courses. So in the next video, we will see how to build a custom audio classification model. See you there.